Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show some common problem solutions of Realme, Redmi, and Xiaomi phones. Such as, automatic touch problem, any app that opens automatically, back button doesn't work properly when clicking back button, if you want to minimize it is not minimize, and the phone hangs or lags. These are some of the common problems that occur more often in MIUI version phones. These problems are not only in the MIUI version of the phone, but also in other phones. But these problems are more common in MIUI version phones. So let's start, why these problems occur and how to solve them. Step 1. Go to phone storage and check if enough storage is free. These problems will occur if the phone does not have enough storage. So if you don't have enough storage, empty it. Step 2. Go to phone settings. Check if system apps are updated. If you need to update, update it. And also update the MIUI version in the About section if there is an update. Now scroll down and go to App List. If there is any update for the apps that have problems using them, update them. After following the steps, hopefully all issues will be resolved. But if automatic touch problem is not solved, then you can do 2 more settings. Again, go to your phone settings. Go to sound and vibration. Now find out touch sound or tap sound. After finding, turn on it. And also find out touch vibrate or tap vibrate. And turn on. If you keep these 2 options on, then touching the phone screen will sound and vibrate. But there will be no sound and vibration when automatically touched. Through these settings, you can easily understand whether the phone is being touched automatically or not. After making the settings, make another setting. Go to search bar. And search by 3. You will see 3 finger screenshot settings. Guys, settings slightly different according to model. Click on 3 fingers screenshot settings. And turn off the settings. After doing these settings, the touch label of the phone will increase. But can't take screenshot with 3 fingers. Use power button and volume down button to take screenshot. Hope the touch problem will be solved after doing the settings. Still, if the touch problem is not resolved, then you need to take the help of servicing center. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.